Hello YouTube. Today I am here with new video. This is my bedroom and I have removed this sofa and this old setup from my office room which you have seen in videos before, and I brought it down to my bedroom. Okay, so this is pretty big room, you can see, and has lots of sound absorbing material already. And another difference, the second difference in this room is I placed it on the height. Okay, it's not on the ground directly, it's on some height on the wooden table. Okay, other everything is same, all the stuff is same. And now I will give you demo how it sounds. Okay, and then I will share my thoughts how it sounds over there in corner in bigger room and at some elevated height. What is the difference than before? Let me play something. These are all NCS tracks I uploaded on my channel, you can check it out. So this was sound test. So what happens, I will tell you the difference what I observed from the room above and this room. In the room, my office room, there is no sound absorbing material as such. So there is boomy bass. Okay, the mid bass is dominant, and the fake bass, which we call, is dominant, and it's more boomy over there. Okay, also the room area is little smaller as compared to this room, which you can see, and there is no furniture. So sound absorbing material is not there, and there I kept this subwoofer on the ground. On the other room, you can check out that video. So this performance is more bearable, more pleasant to hear for the longer duration. But it's not as loud as it was before on the upstairs in the empty room. But with maturity of audio, you understand that loudness is not something which really matters. The quality of bass, the pleasant vibes, and how long you can enjoy your audio system, that matters a lot. Okay, and this type of knowledge or audio signature or taste, this takes years to develop. When you are kid, you like the loud bass. That's why you will see the kids are in India or anywhere, they install multiple cheap subwoofer just to be loud and make noise. But that's not something which you should do for longer duration, because you will not enjoy that kind of music or that kind of fake bass, and it's pretty irritating and pointless. Why will someone do that? Okay, so that was first point. The base is improved, or the position. The second point is I have elevated it from the ground. That is the second barrier. What it does, it's killing the fake bass, it's reducing the loudness, but it's improving the sound quality. Okay, the tonal performance of this subwoofer is now somewhat better than it was before. So this is what I recommend. And again, same question: should we use car audio subwoofer in home audio? My answer is no, because you can see this is compact box design. Still, it takes hell lot of space in my bedroom. Okay, it is not designed, or it is not meant to use into home audio all the time. So that was all, guys. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. Another thing is, who should have such kind of setup, that car audio subwoofer in your home? I already answered it many times before. Those who just want to make noise and don't care about sound quality or space or electrical consumptions, they should go for it. You should keep in mind that these big car audio subwoofers need lots of current. Okay, and this tiny amplifier is 20 years old, and I'm just feeding small amount of current to this sub. I'm not utilizing this sub to the max potential. If I purchase some pro audio amplifier and feed 300 watt RMS clean to this subwoofer, this will be mind blowing. But that won't be audible. That will just rattle my doors and windows, which I used to do before. That is just good for experiment for, but for the long term you cannot use that kind of setup. There are some car audio subwoofers which are into SPL category, which have bigger XMAS. You can use those kind of subwoofers in your home theater setup for low frequency bass, and they will pretty much sound better than these entry level subwoofers. But still, that's a toss. Don't take the risk. Buy a ready-made home audio setup or an active subwoofer if you want hell lot of bass. Okay, buy an active good quality subwoofers around 20-30,000, and that will be louder than these car audio subwoofers. All the jugad you will do. Okay, that's all. That was all. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. I'm happy to help. Live loud.